Third straight start for Driscoll, looking for his first victory as an NFL starting quarterback. And on first down, he hands off to Joe Mixon. Mixon up to the 30-yard line. Usher. Here's Mixon right up the middle across the 15-yard line, and that brings up a 3rd and 2. Quick snap. Driscoll handoff. Mixon, he's got the first down. On second down, it's Mixon. He's got the first down and more. Mixon at midfield. Mixon following the block of Ross. Down the sideline and shoved out by Morrow.
You've got to love everybody body on body. I always talk about that at the offensive line. Let the running back use his vision. Let the last moment. Switch it into your right hand.
Mixon, did he get in? No signal yet.
You got to unpile a lot of bugs.
Touchdown on 4th and goal. His career has been known as being more of a conservative head coach, but last week we saw him play it aggressive. Here's Mixon right up the middle. He's got some room, and Tyre Whitehead makes the tackle.
Good offensive game.
Bengals convert 75% of the time on 3rd and 1, and they have another one here to the 22-yard line.
Out at box with all those guys up there to stop the run.
And they can't. Mixon breaks through and has a first down. Now a 40-yard play. See if the Bengals can work some clock here with the 10-point lead. It's a screen pass to Mixon. And he is tracked down by P.J. Hall. Mixon over 100 yards rushing today on the pitch. Looking for more, and he's got it. Touchdown, Cincinnati.
You get this student body right, get 2 blockers out in front, and Mixon with speed, untouched, on the 14-point margin.
A game-changing play on special teams as Mixon creeps through the middle, and a late flag comes in.